We're gonna play a leaper.
Okay, guys.
MM2, the real MM2. And this is my real avatar. My avatar's ugly.
Okay, guys. First round.
Oh my god! Sheriff!
I am not lying! I am not lying!
What? I wish we swap! Oh!
Oh, are they outside?
Holy hitbox!
Are they outside?
Ah!
Oh, I have to get out ASAP. I'm gonna use my MM2 aiming skills. Okay, I'm outside now.
Oh!
Oh! Let's go! Yes!
Norway!
Yes! Let's go!
Let's go, pal!
Yes! we won!
Yo!
What the fuck? What is Wenda doing here?
Yeah, what is Wanda
What is
doing?
Wenda doing here? Okay.
You stupid dog.
Okay, let's pick a map.
Wait, what? Let's go to letter 2. Oh yeah, come on, babe.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So guys, we're only gonna do 5 rounds for this video because
I'm gonna shut down.
no.
31%.
Okay.
Why did Kuya ikot?
This is our second round now. 3, 2, 1. Innocent, are you fucking kidding me?
What did you say?
Nothing.
Beats the jet to limit.
Okay, let's keep going now.
What? Someone's dead already?
I think they reset because they don't. Whoa! Electric. Wow! Oh my god! The murder's at the top! We have to let out! Let's go! Double share it. Double share it. Let's go.
I need to poop. Wait, come here.
We're gonna keep going. Okay, this is our third round for now on. Okay, 2 rounds left and we will be done. So let's go. Innocent, what are you, Archie?
Innocent too.
Bro, are you sure?
Yeah.
Because I have trust issues if I play this game. Ah!
He died?
No, I did not get killed. The murderer, killed yourself. Oh my god, I got killed. Okay, you're the only one to survive that. Let us spectate. Don't worry. Bro, why is Brenda floating? Okay, this is the 4th round from now on. Before we start, we have to pick a map. No, Harky, why are you not speaking?
Ha. What?
Why are you not speaking?
Sorry.
Okay, guys, we're gonna keep going. This is the 4th round. And later is going to be the final round. Okay, let's go. 4th round ready. You ready, Harky?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you? Oh, you're in the lobby. Outside.
Innocent?
Yeah. Oh wow, sana all. Ay.
Weird. This is me! Oh my!
Yo, why are you trying to shoot me?
You, kuya.
Wait, did you know that you will win in 5 seconds? Let me count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me admit it now, bro. I am the murderer, and I don't want you to get killed because you have anger issues, you stupid Nick. Okay, this is the very last round, and we're gonna do the outro and say goodbye now. Okay, very last round. I don't wanna kill you because you have angry issues if I kill you. Like, it's just a fucking game. Okay, we're gonna get ready for a round.
Huh? Cute. Why are you floating?
I like this Santa plushie so much.
Why are you floating?
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it, but why are you floating?
Nice. Let's go. Listen.
Sheriff!
No way! Oh my god. Finally. Each of us got sheriff in one video. That is absolutely awesome.
Yeah.
If you die, I'll get the gun, don't worry. Wait, it's Gray here! Oh my god! I saw Gray! Gray! Oh my god! I miss playing Spranky so much. Ah! It's the girl! Shoot! Shoot! Shoot, Artie, shoot! No, you're not shooting me. No! Sorry, I died. Okay, you're the only one left. Bro's locking in for you. Did I just saw Gray and Wenda? What? Is Wenda hacking? Where is she? Is she in a specific place or something?
Oh!
Bro, she's trying to glitch out of the map. Artie, go try
Oh.
shooting the girl. I got this. Woo! Run. Go, Artie, go. Ah!
See
Holy
the
moly.
victory?
No, not yet. There's some players left. It's Gray and Fearsome Doll left. Go spectate if you don't believe me. Woo! Get the gun! Get the gun! Go! Get it! Let's go! She got the gun. Go shoot her right now. Let's go!
My girl! My girl! My girl! My girl! Let's go.
Okay guys, that's it for today, and make sure to like and subscribe to my sister and me, and we gotta go end the video now. Okay, bye.
Bye!